Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of Firepower Threat Defense series. In this video, we are going to look at few more essential options before we can move on to, policies on FTD. I know I promised we will be looking at policies in this video, but there are few more components that we need to check before we move on there. These are very basic components, but we need to look at them. So let's jump on to FMC. The components we are going to look at today are under the object management section. So in today's video, we are going to look at application filters, geolocation, port, and time range. Okay. So let's jump onto the first topic, which is application filters. Okay. Application filters help you perform application control by organizing application according to the basic characteristics, basically type, risk, business relevance, category, and tax. I like these definitions, they really explain what does this feature do or what does this option for. You can just click on add application filter and create application filter general. Let's create an application filter general apps. Okay, you can add the apps of your choice here, like I'm adding ICMP and DNS. Now I can also put an application filter here. Okay, suppose I want all apps which has very low risk also be part of this filter. So I can select this option here, and on the top here it appears all apps matching this filter. I say add to rule. See, now this application filter has all apps which are very low risk or they are DNS and ICMP. So all these apps are part of this single filter. Okay, and we can click save. So that's how you can create application filters to be used in application access control policies. Okay, now let's jump on to another topic, that was geolocation. Okay, so IP addresses. Okay, the public IP addresses are bind over the internet to specific locations. Okay, so you can either use those locations separately in a rule, adding them one by one, or you can create like a group of application. Okay. So geolocation represents one or more countries or continents that the system has identified as the source and destination of traffic on your monitored network. It is used in various places like access control policies, SSL policies, and even searches. I know I'm just reading this, but this is the best way to explain it, what the feature does. In I would say in practically, you just need to know it's just for the IPs belonging to certain locations. So let's click add location. I will say uh, Pakistan, and under Asia, I can select Pakistan. Where is Pakistan? Are they on the list? Yeah. So I added Pakistan, and let's add one more country. I can say Pakistan and China. So let's find China as well. And yes. Okay. Now I can click save, or I can add entire continent that will then include all the countries within that continent. Okay. I'm just saving the object. Okay. It's taking time to save. I just selected Pakistan and China. I didn't select whole world. Okay, I'll wait for it to save. So the save is now complete, and you can say our geolocation named as Pakistan China is now created. You see, Pakistan China, two countries selected under the Asia. So this is China and this is Pakistan. Okay. Now the next topic to discuss is port. Port is like you create the TCP UDP services uh, on the other firewalls and management centers as well. Okay. So in order to add a port here, you can select add object, and then suppose I want to add TCP port. Let's take, I want to say TCP 44444. Let's copy the port. Select the protocol here, TCP, UDP, ICMP, IPv6, ICMP or other. We'll talk about other. I'll say 444. Do you want to allow override? So I want this object to have different value in different firewalls. Then I can use the override option as we discussed in the past in the network section as well. It works similarly. Okay, I'll just say. So I have just created a TCP 44444 service. Where is it? I think it's on the next page. See, it's here now. Okay, TCP. Now let's do one more thing. Let's create other service. Suppose now you have a custom protocol that is not TCP, not UDP. It's you can identify it at IP layer like ESP. Okay. So in order to get to ESP, you need to select other and then search here. See, ESP is IP protocol 50. That's how you can do it. Okay. Give it a name. Or suppose you have a custom one. Let's take IP protocol. My protocol's IP number is 250. Okay. In order to select a protocol with IP number 250, I need to say protocol and then 250. I can allow overrides as required. If needed, I'll just save. So that's how I can classify a network layer service. Okay. And this will be on page number 1 because it starts with I. See, IP250. That's how you can do this stuff. After this, our next topic was time range. So time range helps you, you know, enforce policies at a certain time or on a regular interval or for a fixed time range. Click on add time range. Let's add a time range. I would say every day, uh, 9 to 5. Okay. So I can say it starts now and it ends never because this time range should be valid for from right now to forever. Then at the recurring interval, I say now 9 to 5 daily interval. Then you can select number of days of week or you can go for a range. Okay, Monday to Friday, this to this time. That would mean from Monday 9 to Friday this, not every day 9 to 5. Okay. So let's go for a daily interval. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If I click daily, it will select all the days. Or if I select all the days, that will check the daily. See? Okay. Effective times. So these rules are evaluated as per the time on your respective FTD firewall. I would say 9 to 5. So 0900. You see? 9 to 5. I can make all day, then it will be 0000 to 2359. I can show you. See? It changes. So 09:00:17:00. And then I can say add. See, it has been added. I can add more recurring intervals and I can then just hit save. If I want this time range only to be valid for this year, then I need to select start at right now and end at the end of the year. Okay. That's how you can create a time range. So that was it about this topic, these topics for today. Now I think we are good to jump on to the policy stuff. As soon as we need more stuff, we will be looking into them as per the need. So thank you for your time. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next video.